Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Maverick Sport Max. This video is about the rear window from Can-Am. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about this back window. Absolutely good looking, has a great field of view. Couple things to note. This roof is required. You have to have this hard top from Can-Am in order for this back window to be installed. The reason why, you can see it's got a bunch of bracketry up here. So it will not work with the soft top. It will not work with the DragonFire roofs either. You have to use the sport roof from Can-Am. It's got a couple pieces here that attach it to the cage, both on the bottom, the sides, and then again along on the top. It is very firm on there. It is a multi-piece design. As you can see, there is a separate piece right here where the polycarbonate attaches to a black piece of injected molded plastic, if you will. What I love about it, again, the big field of view. It is very scratch resistant. This back window will last you a long time. Just don't be sure and scrape some mud across it if you get some mud on there. Get a hose, get it cleaned off really nice, and work out well for you. Again, this is from Can-Am. We'll have the part number and a little more information below. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you guys think of the back window? Have you used it? Do you have it? Any questions, any concerns, any comments? We want to hear it all, you guys. Let us know your thoughts. Have a great day, everybody.